Hey everybody, this is Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, and I'm coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's market update report, we're covering Perrysburg and Perrysburg Township for the month of January 2021. Let's dive right in. So, with single-family homes in January this year, we continue to see the same trend carrying forward, where new listings, the amount of new listings that we're seeing this year, are not enough. In fact, the trend is going downwards, where we should hopefully be seeing some new listings popping up. I was hoping to see more people get motivated to sell, as they are seeing that there's next to no competition right now, and that's really driving prices up, but it's just not happening for whatever reason. But what is happening is pending sales and closed sales continue to trickle up, and what that's doing is it's causing a month's supply of inventory to go to dangerously low levels. This trend is not, we can't support this for the long term. If new listings continue to be elusive in this market and we continue to see the pending and closed sales, what is likely to happen is this number right here will probably just start going up even more significantly. Whether or not that happens is anyone's guess, because eventually it's going to hit a ceiling or a level where people just can't afford to pay that number anymore, and we're just going to have stagnation in the marketplace. But for right now, if you've been on the fence about selling, please give me a call. I would love to explain to you what has been happening in today's market and how you can take advantage of this to get you the best deal possible. Looking down here for the median sell price, I get this question all the time from folks. Hey, I'm just going to wait to buy until the market goes down. Folks, let me tell you something. The market doesn't go down. It goes up. That is not an uncommon thing. The only time the market really saw a sharp decline was when the banks caused it in 2009. And now we have several new bills and new forms of legislation to keep that from ever happening again. So the only thing that you're going to do by waiting is hurt yourself, because the prices will continue to go up to a point where it's going to make it so that you can no longer afford to buy. And also, my guess is interest rates will also be going up sometime soon, and that can also have a negative impact towards your buying capability. If you have any specific questions or would like to know more about how to take advantage of this market, although it doesn't seem like it's possible, Jim T can make it possible by utilizing some of the people that I have on my team to get you the absolute best deal. I hope that these sessions are informative for you guys. If you do feel like they are, please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future offerings from Jim T. Outside of that, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thanks for watching today, and I hope you all will make this a wonderful day. This has been Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. Thanks so much. Have a great day.